How to choose good wheel spacer for Land Rover Defender?
Land Rover Defender wheel spacers are safe to use. They are attachments that go between the wheel and the hub, creating more distance between them.
As a professional wheel spacer manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technique based on years of experience, breaking the long-term single function of the wheel spacer. Through the rotation of the wheel spacer, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat, so it achieves the purpose of active cooling, improve the brake efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. When choosing wheel spacer for Land Rover Defender, good quality ones are quite important. Good quality wheel spacer must be made of good material. The industry-recognized material for BONOSS wheel spacer is aluminum alloy, usually two types of aluminum alloy, 6061T6 and 7075T6. The forged aluminum alloy will have a denser structure and better performance than casting one, mainly in terms of tensile strength, yield strength, and flow data. The advantage of choosing BONOSS wheel spacer is the hard anodizing process on the surface of the material, brings better corrosion resistance and prevent rusting.
Choosing a good set of Land Rover Defender wheel spacers that can make a big difference in your off-roading performance. Larger wheels and wider tires means greater grip, which affect handling and stability. However, they will also take up more space in the fender well.
Installing BONOSS Sport active cooling wheel spacers on Land Rover Defender can improve brake efficiency, maintain the brakes at normal temperature, and ensure your driving safety. If you have any questions about BONOSS wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you next time. Bye-bye!